Alphabet reports earnings Tuesday. Last quarter, they beat EPS estimates by nearly double, $5.11 against $2.63 estimate. Revenue hit $109 billion. The stock is up 89% over the past year. We ran the full-year FSR going into this report. Here's what the data shows. Alphabet runs Google Search, YouTube, Google Cloud, and the Gemini AI platform. They are developing their own AI chip to make Gemini more efficient. AI capital expenditure across the industry is expected to pass $1 trillion by 2027. The Alphabet is one of the companies driving that spending. This upcoming report is being watched as a test for whether big tech earnings can justify current valuations. 1 year of daily data, FSR Score 69%, Rolling FSR at 95%. Price started the year near 187, climbed steadily to a peak near 404, currently sitting at 351. The yearly average sits at 300. Price has been above that average for the majority of the second half of the year. 69% overall FSR with a 95% rolling tells you the year has that real pattern behind it. The uptrend from 187 to 404 was structured. The pullback was structured. The recovery has been structured. Rolling FSR has stayed above 88% for almost the entire year, one of the more consistent readings on the channel. Analyst average target is 430, well above today's price of 351. The quarter 2 estimate is 290 EPS and 20% revenue growth. After last quarter's massive beat, the bar is high. Whether Alphabet clears it determines what the FSR looks like after this report. We'll run the post-earnings FSR after the report. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Links in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.